Hello everybody. My friend Reggie's here. You wanna come say hi? Why? I'll make her come later. Use the cleaning liquid to remove the oil, dust, and makeup residue. Okay, good thing I didn't have any makeup on. The cleaning liquid. What? This must... Okay, what? There's a clean tool. Oh, that's to clean off the residue. I'm confused. I think this is the cleanser. I think... Well, it says cleanser, but it says cleaning liquid, and they're all numbered, and it doesn't have the number next to it, so I don't know. So we're gonna try it. Next. Apply the eye pads on the under eyelids to protect your skin from perming lotion. Okay, well it doesn't come with eye pads. It comes with lift pads, which is the next step, so I'm gonna do that instead. Unknowingly, this came with lift pads, which it didn't say it had on Amazon, so I bought different ones, and then it came with them, so that was fun. Same with the lash glue. It comes with this little tube, and I think I'm gonna go with the small. Put the lift pads on the eyelash, then apply the glue to the eyelash to keep it stick on the lift pads. Apparently they can't do English. So I put some glue on there, and all the videos I watched said you're supposed to like let it get oh.
What did you do?
I dropped it. This is stupid. Use the glue setting the eyelash on the lift pads about 1 minute. And then I guess you're just supposed to lift them up onto this thing. I guess. Let's use this little cleaner tool to push them up. That looks about right. Oh, there's those little spiky things. I don't know. Oh, you can't see that. Okay. Yeah, let's just... Oh, gosh. Oh my god, what? 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 This is how my eyelashes look like after this. I'm crying. I'm crying. Oh my god, what am I doing? This is cute. I've been doing this for so long. Use the #1 perm lotion, white in color, on the eyelash, and then cover the plastic film about 8 to 12 minutes. It says a little white thing. Okay, whatever. Oh my god. Oh.
That's the stinky thing.
You want to smell it? Come here. Okay, so I coated this on my eyelashes. I gotta leave this on for 8 to 12 minutes. So we'll be back in 12 minutes. Okay, there she is. Go down.
Oh my god, you're horrifying.
She says this about me when I'm not doing my eyelashes, so.
True, but I feel like you look like one of those people that like cut the faces off of other people and then wear them as masks.
Like Buffalo Bill? If we're talking about Hannibal Lecter, we might as well talk about Buffalo Bill.
Yeah, there you go. Basically.
Comment down below if you watch Silence of the Lambs.
I have not seen that movie.
We should watch it. Have you seen Shutter Island?
Yes, I have actually. A long time ago.
We should watch it. I don't know where this is. I cannot see. Ow. Okay. Okay, this burns. I'm crying. I'm actually crying.
Looking good.
Okay, that's my timer. And now I need to use the number 2 fixing agent, blue. I can't tell where this is focused. Okay, nutrition. Okay, I think I'm just supposed to like rub this off now.
Oh, that looks really good. That looks really good.
Ow! Okay, look at that. Oh my god. Is this real? Oh. Oh! I can't, okay. So there's people, like Reggie, for example, who will have messy hair and can just put it up in a bun. And it looks great. And then there's people like me who put it up in a bun and like this happens, and then like this happens, and it just doesn't work for us. So, teach me. Hello. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm perming my eyelashes.
Exactly.
I'm perming my eyelashes.
Perming them?
Yeah.
Oh god.
I was not expecting this to take as long as it is, and it's taking forever. But this side's like so much higher than it usually is.
It is.
I'm kind of impressed.
They look good.
Yeah. I'm actually, like, did you know I started a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
I'm recording this right now.
Oh.
See?
Hi, YouTube.
Hi.
Hey.
Show me.
So this side didn't work
It's
out the same.
natural?
Yeah, I just permed it.
That's so cool.
Okay, so this is the finished thing. This side for some reason did not work nearly the same as this side, but this side looks really good. So this side worked super good. Like, look how high that is. That's crazy. And then this side's like, what? You know what? Probably because I took it off early. I took it off right when you left. Look at that though. It's like touching up here. That's crazy. What? Okay, I gotta go to practice.